Picture window replacement. Washington, D.C. delivers a fast, high-impact way to improve curb appeal, daylight, and comfort in homes across the District of Columbia. Homeowners looking for residential picture windows and picture window installation. Washington, D.C. often want a clean, expansive view with better insulation, stronger glass, and a modern look that fits row homes, condos, and single-family properties. With window replacement services tailored to picture windows. Washington, D.C. You can upgrade aging glass, reduce drafts, and create a brighter interior using custom picture windows, new picture windows, and high-performance picture windows designed for local weather conditions. Energy-efficient picture windows. Washington, D.C. are a smart choice for homeowners focused on utility savings and year-round comfort. Low-E picture windows, insulated picture windows, thermally broken picture windows, and double-pane picture windows help reduce heat transfer while maintaining clear visibility and natural light. In neighborhoods across Washington, D.C., from Capitol Hill to Northwest D.C. to the U Street corridor, these replacement solutions support better indoor temperatures and can be paired with vinyl picture windows. Washington, D.C. for durability, low maintenance, and long-term value. A qualified window replacement company. Washington, D.C. can recommend the right glass package for your home. Custom picture windows in Washington, D.C. are ideal when you want a precise fit for older architecture, unique openings, or a house picture window upgrade that blends with existing trim. Architectural picture windows and modern picture windows. Washington, D.C. can transform living rooms, front rooms, and kitchens with a wide unobstructed view and a sophisticated finish. Whether you need large picture window replacement or replacement picture window glass, the right D.C. residential window installers can match style, size, and performance. Many homeowners searching for residential window replacement. Washington, D.C. prefer seamless window installation for a clean result and a polished exterior, especially when investing in picture windows. Washington, D.C. that enhance both appearance and efficiency. Window frame replacement is often part of a complete home window replacement Washington, D.C. project, especially when the existing frame is warped, rotted, or inefficient. Full-service window contractors can handle residential glass window replacement, picture window installation and replacement D.C., and picture window glass replacement Washington, D.C. with attention to structural integrity and weather sealing. For properties in historic districts or modern developments alike, picture window replacement Washington, D.C. should account for frame condition, insulation, and fit. When paired with affordable picture window replacement Washington, D.C., homeowners get a stronger, more attractive upgrade without unnecessary disruption. Vinyl picture windows and double-pane picture windows Washington, D.C. remain popular because they combine value, energy savings, and easy care for busy homeowners. Replacement windows for homes in Washington, D.C. should be selected based on exposure, orientation, and design goals, with options like soundproof picture windows for streets near downtown, DuPont Circle, or busy corridors. Home improvement window services D.C. often include insulated picture windows Washington, D.C. and low-E picture windows Washington, D.C. to help manage summer heat and winter cold. For many residents, best residential window replacement D.C. means balancing performance, style, and budget in one complete solution. Picture window installation Washington, D.C. requires exact measurement, expert fitting, and a detail-oriented process to ensure the result is weather-tight and visually seamless. D.C. window contractors for picture windows can provide Washington, D.C. home picture window installation for both renovation and retrofit projects, including residential glass replacement D.C. when only the panes need attention. A trusted team offering picture window installation, window frame replacement, and custom picture windows can update older homes with fixed picture windows that maximize light while preserving privacy and energy performance. This approach works especially well for rowhouses, townhomes, and detached homes throughout the district. Modern picture windows Washington, D.C. are a strong upgrade for homeowners who want a minimalist look with maximum impact. Fixed picture windows and architectural picture windows create a clean focal point in a family room, dining room, or stair landing while supporting a sleek exterior profile. For those planning a District of Columbia picture window replacement, choosing energy-efficient picture windows, high-performance picture windows, and thermally broken picture windows can improve comfort and reduce noise. Picture window upgrades in Washington, D.C. can also increase home value, especially when the design complements existing siding, brick, or masonry. Residential picture windows are especially effective when used as part of a larger home window replacement Washington, D.C. plan that includes multiple openings and coordinated materials. From picture window replacement Washington, D.C. to residential window replacement Washington, D.C., the right installation team can deliver custom picture windows, vinyl picture windows, and double pane picture windows Washington, D.C. that fit the character of your property. Homeowners searching for picture window replacement Washington, D.C., residential glass window replacement, or picture window installation and replacement D.C. can benefit from full-service window contractors who understand local building styles, energy codes, and neighborhood expectations throughout Washington, D.C. picture windows projects. Affordable picture window replacement Washington, D.C. does not have to mean sacrificing quality, especially when you work with a window replacement company Washington, D.C. that offers dependable products and experienced installers. Whether you need large picture window replacement, picture window glass replacement Washington, D.C., or complete residential glass replacement D.C., the right service can improve performance and appearance at the same time. Many homeowners in the region choose picture windows Washington, D.C. for brighter interiors, better views, and less maintenance, making them a practical investment for long-term home comfort and value in the heart of the district. Energy-efficient picture windows Washington, D.C. are a smart upgrade for homeowners seeking lower utility costs, improved comfort, and better curb appeal. Low-E picture windows. Washington, D.C. Insulated picture windows Washington, D.C. Thermally broken picture windows Washington, D.C., and double-pane picture windows Washington, D.C. help reduce heat transfer in both summer and winter, making them ideal for residential window replacement Washington, D.C. and home window replacement Washington, D.C. projects. Custom picture windows in Washington, D.C. are designed to match exact dimensions, style preferences, and performance goals. Custom picture windows, vinyl picture windows Washington, D.C., vinyl picture windows, and residential picture windows can be tailored for modern picture windows, soundproof picture windows, and high-performance picture windows that support both aesthetics and function throughout Washington, D.C. picture windows neighborhoods. Picture window installation Washington, D.C. services are essential for homeowners wanting long-lasting value, improved weather resistance, and enhanced indoor comfort. Seamless window installation, picture window glass replacement Washington, D.C., picture window installation and replacement D.C., and residential glass replacement D.C. are common solutions for aging units, damaged panes, and outdated frames requiring a complete home improvement window services D.C. upgrade. Affordable picture window replacement Washington, D.C. options make it easier to update older homes without sacrificing quality or efficiency. A window replacement company Washington, D.C. can provide picture window upgrades in Washington, D.C., window frame replacement, and home window replacement services using double-pane picture windows, low-E picture windows Washington, D.C., and insulated picture windows Washington, D.C. for better energy control and reduced noise. New picture windows installed by Washington, D.C. home picture window installation professionals can transform interiors with brighter living spaces and unobstructed views. Residential picture windows, custom picture windows, fixed picture windows, and large picture window replacement solutions are especially popular for living rooms, dining rooms, and family rooms where panoramic light and architectural impact matter most. Picture window replacement Washington, D.C., residential window replacement Washington, D.C., and picture window installation Washington, D.C. remain top searches for homeowners comparing trusted local service. Whether you need picture window replacement services, residential glass window replacement, or picture window upgrades in Washington, D.C., choosing experienced window replacement company Washington, D.C. professionals ensures durable results, energy savings, and lasting home value. Homeowners investing in picture windows Washington, D.C. can also enjoy expansive views, enhanced natural light, and a timeless design that complements a wide variety of architectural styles.